Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. So today I decided to share this look with you all for Eid. Eid is right around the corner, so tried to create something and share with you guys. So I tried to keep this look very simple and matte. I just added a bit of shimmer liner so it has the pop. But yeah, everything, all the products I have used in this video are from drugstore. Probably one or two items are high-end, but other than that, everything is very affordable. Everybody can try to achieve this look. So yeah, if you guys are interested, please keep on watching and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. First, I'm going in with the P. Louise base. This is the Rumor 02 and I'm going to create a base for my eyeshadow. With the sponge, I'm going to blend it out all over my eyelid. Now with the translucent powder, this is the one by Airspun, I'm just going to set the eye base that I put on. First eyeshadow palette, I'm going in with the Carter Beauty Smooth Nude palette. This has 18 shades and they are amazing quality. They blend so smooth and beautifully, it's great. So I'm going to pick the color called Flirt from here. And with a fluffy brush, I'm going to place it on my crease. And I'm creating a completely matte eye look today, so everything's gonna be very matte. And I might just add a glitter liner. That's what I'm thinking, but you will see what I do. I always keep changing my mind in between, so let's see. Next, I'm going to pick up this color called Disrupt, and I'm going with the same brush and just putting it on top of the color I placed. Now I'm going to pick up the color Lust, and this is like a dome-shaped brush to pack on the color on my lids. So you can see I'm just packing on the color and not really blending much. I will do that later with a fluffy brush. So I'm just going to pack the color onto my crease. And now with the same blending brush, I'm just going to blend out the color. So now I'm going in with the color Vixen from the palette and I'm just going to pack it on my lids. With the blending brush, just blending the color with the other colors that I have put on before. Palette is so good and I feel like everybody should have this because the colors are like a must-have for your, eyeshadow looks. All browns and they're beautiful. They blend so nicely. It's amazing. This is actually the first time I'm using this. Using this in a sense, like I bought it for the first time and I've never heard of them before. I went to Walmart the other day and I saw them and it's all nude. I just wanted to try it out, so I picked them up and I'm really impressed. So now I'm going to pick up the color called Provoked and Seamless together. Sorry, it's called Shameless, not Seamless. And I'm just going to deepen up my crease and outer V. This part I might have to keep on going back and forth because to build the color and blend slowly. I'm going to pick up the black color from the palette and just build it on the outer corner. You have to keep on building it up so you are satisfied. So I'm just going in back and forth. So now I'm going to pick up the Icon Bronze Summers eyeshadow palette by, this is by Absolute New York. And I'm going to use this backpacking color from this palette and put it on my lid. Don't worry about the fallouts, we are gonna clean up later, but right now I'm just going to build. This palette has a lot of fallouts actually. Then again, I'm just going to blend these colors. So to line my eyes, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Breakproof Eyeliner. Since I kept the eyes very matte, I still wanted to add some kind of shimmer to it, so I'm going to use this Huda Beauty Matte and Metallic. This is the Melted Shadows, and this shade I'm using is Shimmering Sunset. So I'm going to use the shimmer the side and then create like a line on top of the black liner I used. So I didn't take all the way to the end, I kind of kept it until this point. So if you want, you can take it all the way to the very end of your liner. So this is how it's looking so far. I'm actually liking the liner a lot. So first I'm going in with the Man Eater Mascara by Tarte, and then after that I'm going to apply my lash. For lashes today, I'm going in with the Mademoiselle Lashes. This is the style in Jane. I love their lashes a lot. They're very easy to apply and they look very nice and natural. So I'm going to finish out the rest of the eyes later. Now I'm going to start my face, and I'm going to start with the Pretty Fresh ColourPop Hyaluronic Acid Primer to prime the face. So for foundation today, I'm going in with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer. I love this. This is so light and natural looking. For today's look, I wanted to keep it very light and natural because it's going to be daytime and also it's super hot outside, summertime. So I wanted to just keep it very light and simple. So to conceal my under eyes, I'm going in with these two products. One is from Sephora. This is their Salmon Shade Color Corrector, and the other one is the Cookie Cosmetics Brightening Concealer. This concealer is amazing, guys. If you haven't tried Cookie, give this brand a try. They have really good products. I absolutely love using these two products together because you can see how how much it brightens my under eyes. It's really nice. To set my under eyes and the rest of the face, I'm going in with the Airspun Loose Powder. Quickly, I'm going to do my eyebrows off the camera and I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Now I'm going to finish off the rest of my eyes. So I'm going to just put some eyeshadow under my eyes. And to do that, I'm going to pick up these two colors right here to darken up the lower lash line. With the black liner, I'm going to line my waterline, and this is the one from Araceli. I love this eyeliner so much. It is a gel liner and it does not smudge anywhere. Quickly, I'm going to put the same mascara on my lower lash line. Now onto contouring my face, and to do that, I'm using the Pixie Beauty. This is the Pixie Promise Shape Shifter Palette. So nowadays, I like to put my contour like this so it creates like the shape. I'm going to lightly contour my nose, and I'm going to use the same palette to do so. I always always like to blend the nose contour with my fingers. I don't know, it just feels like it blends better for me than using like a brush or like a sponge. I'm going to take some more loose powder and I'm going to just put it right over here. And I'm going to let it set for a little bit. So for a brush today, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush, and this is the shade Always Rosy. Quickly, I'm going to dust off this. For highlighter today, I'm going in with the Pixie Beauty by Dennis Mind Your Own Glow Find the Light palette. And I'm going to use this shade, and I think it's called Heidi. For lips, I'm going in with the NYX Suede lip liner, and the one I'm using is called Hans. So for lipstick now, I'm using this Pixie Beauty Lip Blush Palette, and I'm going to pick up the color Smooch. Lastly, to set my face, I'm going in with the Absolute Mirror Prolonged Setting Spray.
So this is the final look. Hope you guys liked it, and I wish you all a very happy and blessed Eid with your friends and family. And if you tried this look out, definitely share with me on Instagram, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.